Welcome to What the Fuck is a Sales Funnel and how to use one to make more money on this app. First off, if you have any kind of business that sells online, then you already have a sales funnel. Ta-da! A sales funnel is just the journey your customer goes on from finding you to making a purchase. Voila! A sales funnel. Starts always with your traffic, which can be right here, Instagram, your email list you already have. How to collect the leads is just by offering lead magnet. Basically, it can be an ebook, it could be a checklist. To get that lead magnet, they have to give you their email address, which goes to your email list, which then you can use for future promotions. And of course, everybody that signs up for your email list isn't necessarily going to buy anything, but studies have shown that it actually takes people at least 7 times of seeing your product before they're going to buy something for you. So if you look way over there, that's email 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it goes all the way to 7. How many times they see you online, how many TikToks they see, how many YouTube videos, any of that. Literally use this for anything. If you are a coach or content creator, or you want to start working with brands, or you want to sell a product, anything you can use this for. So comment funnel. Woo! And I will show you which one I use that is the best, all-inclusive, and actually pretty cheap.